11th problem. If x plus 5 is the geometric mean between x plus 2 and x plus 9, find the value of x. Solution: given x plus 5 is the geometric mean between x plus 2 and x plus 9. We know, let B is the geometric mean between A and C. Then what is the formula? B square is equal to AC. Are you able to follow? Now in the place of B, x plus 5 is there, whole square. AC, in the place of A, x plus 2, and in the place of C, x plus 9. Now A plus B whole square formula: A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to x into x, x square, plus into plus, plus x into 9, 9x, plus into plus, plus 2 into x, 2x, plus into plus, plus 2 9s are 18, x square cancel, 10x plus 25 is equal to 11x plus 18. Now 10x minus 11x is equal to 18 minus 25. Now 11x, 10x minus 11x is minus x. Minus x is equal to 18 minus 25 is minus 7. Minus minus get cancelled. X is equal to 7. They told to find the value of x. We got the value of x. 12th problem. Find two numbers whose mean proportion is 36 and the third proportional is 288. Solution: we don't know. They told to find two numbers. Let the two numbers be AB. A comma B. Two numbers be A and B. So mean proportion, whose mean proportion is 36. So square root of AB is equal to 36. Mean proportion means geometric mean only. Mean proportion or geometric mean we have learned. B square is equal to AC. GM means geometric progression. So B square is equal to AC. B is equal to square root of AC. The same way square root of AB is equal to 36. They have given. So we want AB means square root going from left to right becomes square. So AB is equal to 36 into 36. Are you able to follow? If you want B, B is equal to 36 into 36 by A. B value. Next, what they are telling? The third proportional. So third proportional, how much they have given? Third proportional is 288. The meaning of that is what? A is to B is equal to B is to 288. The third proportional. Now product of means you take whatever may you take, we will get B square is equal to 288A. What? B square is equal to that much. Now B value 36 by A, or A is equal to 36 into 36 by B. According to your convenience, you can. Here for me convenience is b square is equal to 288 into 36 into 36 by b. In the place of a I am substituting. No sir, I want to substitute in b means you can substitute in b place also, no problem. Now do cross multiplication. B cube is equal to, find the factors for 288. 288. 2 table goes 144 times. 2 table goes 72 times. 2 table goes 36 times. Easy way I am solving. 2 cube 2 into 2 into 2 into 36. Here 2 more 36 are there. 36 into 36. Now b cube is equal to 2 cube into 36 cube. Now cube root. So b is equal to cube root of cube root. 2 cube into 36 cube. So that is equal to 2 into 36. How much? 72. What value got? B value got. B how much you got? 72. Now we got B as 72. Now A is equal to 36 into 36 by B. Substitute, then you will get A value. 36 into 36 by 72. 36 ones are 36. 36 twos are 72. Again this 2 goes here 18 times. So A you got 18. Therefore A is equal to 18 and B is equal to 72. They told to find the two numbers. We got the two numbers. 13th problem. If A is to B as C is to D, prove that third problem. A square plus AC plus C square is to A square minus AC plus C square is equal to B square plus BD plus D square is to B square minus BD plus D square. Now they have given ABCD are in proportion. The meaning of that is ABCD are in proportion. A is to B is equal to C is to D implies A by B is equal to C by D. Same answer. One constant answer is there. K. For A by B also K only. C by D because equality between two ratios, proportion. So A by B is equal to K. What is the meaning of that? Means A is equal to KB. A is equal to KB. In the place of A you can write KB. Next coming to C by D is equal to K. The meaning of this is C is equal to KD. So you can substitute these values. Now take, they told to prove that. So take LHS. What is LHS? A square plus AC plus C square. Ratio means by A square minus AC plus C square. Now in the place of A square I am writing KB whole square. Why? Replacing. So replace that one. KB whole square plus A into C. A into C plus KB into KD. Able to follow? Next plus C square plus KD square plus KD whole square. Now A square again KB whole square. Here minus this time. Here plus is there, there minus, that's all. KB into KD plus KD whole square. Whole square. Now simplify. Is equal to K square B square, meaning plus K into K, K square, B into D, BD, BD plus K square D square. Next here also K square B square minus K square BD plus K square D square. In numerator, take K square common because in each term K square is there. Denominator also K square is there. Take K square common. So that is equal to, in numerator K square if you take common, B square is left plus BD is left. BD means what? B into D plus D square is left by denominator also K square is there common. Here B square minus BD plus D square. Now K square cancel. What is remaining? B square plus BD plus D square by B square minus BD plus D square. We started near LHS. We came to RHS. B square plus BD plus D square by B square minus that only we got is equal to RHS. They told to prove that. So hence proved. This method is called K method. What method this is called? K method. We are taking some constant. Using that we solve this problem. 14th problem. If A is to B as C is to D, show that first bit A plus B by C plus D is equal to square root of 2A square plus 7B square by square root of 2C square plus 7D square. Now solution. What is the meaning of this one? I told you A is to B as C is to D means they are in proportion. Another form of writing is what? A by B is equal to C by D. Same answer, K method, some constant answer will come. So A by B is equal to K implies A is equal to KB. Next, C by D is equal to K implies C is equal to KD. Now take LHS. What is LHS? A plus B by C plus D. That is equal to, what is A? KB plus B, because B nothing is there, B only. C is there, KD plus D. From numerator you can take B common. So if you take B common, K plus 1. In the denominator what you can take? D you take common. K plus 1. Now K plus 1 cancel. B by D is there. So this is number 1. Left hand side we got B by D. Now take RHS. What is RHS? RHS you take square root of 2A square plus 7B square by square root of 2C square plus 7D square. That is equal to, substitute. Now we are going to substitute. Square root of 2 into A. A means how much you got? KB. KB whole square plus 7B square as it is. Because for B it is not there. Next, square root of 2C square. 2 into C means how much? KD. KD whole square plus 7D square. Now that is equal to square root of 2K square B square plus 7B square. Denominator square root of 2 into K square D square plus 7D square. What is there common? B square can take common. So square root of If you take b square common, what is remaining? 2k square plus 7. Denominator, what you are taking common? D square. Square root of d square. If you take common, 2k square plus 7. Now this one, numerator and denominator, 2k square plus 7, you can cancel. What is remaining? Square root of b square by square root of d square. What is the square root of b square? Is b. What is the square root of d square? Means d. So this is number 2. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Because both answers are same, we have proved. Same answer we got. LHS answer how much we got? The same RHS answer also we got. 14th problem. If A is to B as C is to D, show that A square plus AB plus B square by A square minus AB plus B square is equal to C square plus CD plus D square divided by C square minus CD plus D square. Now, solution given. What is given? A is to B is equal to C is to D. That implies what? A by B is equal to C by D. That is equal to K. So, A by B is equal to K implies A is equal to KB. Next, C by D is equal to K implies C is equal to KD. Are you able to follow? This is common. K method. Proportion. Constant answer will come. Ratio means. Now, LHS. What is LHS? A square plus AB plus B square. A square minus AB plus B square. Now substitute those values. A means how much? KB. KB whole square plus KB into B plus B square as it is. Or B, it is not there. Next, KB whole square minus KB into B plus B square. Are you able to follow? That is equal to, now, K square B square plus KB square plus B square. Next here, K square B square minus KB square plus B square. In the numerator, B square is there. In denominator also B square is there. So take common. B square you are taking common. If you are taking B square common, here K square is left, my plus K is left. Here nothing is there, means plus 1 is left. Next, denominator. B square you are taking common again. Here K square will be left, minus K plus 1. B square get cancelled. What is the answer you got? K square plus K plus 1 by K square minus K plus 1. This is number 1. LHS answer. Coming to RHS now. What is RHS? C square plus CD plus D square by C square minus CD plus D square. C means what? KD. So write that in the place of C, KD whole square plus KD into D plus D square. Now coming to the denominator, KD whole square minus KD into D plus D square. Now simplify. K square D square. K square D square. Whole square means the meaning is that one. Plus KD square plus d square. Denominator k square d square minus kd square plus d square. In numerator d square is there, in denominator also d square. K square plus k plus 1. Denominator also d square common. K square minus k plus 1. Now d square cancel. Remaining is k square plus k plus 1 by k square minus k plus 1. This is equation number 2. First answer, second answer, left hand side, right hand side, same answer. So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. This is the way of solving.